Did you know the idea of machine learning dates back to the 1950s? One of the early pioneers was Arthur Samuel, a researcher at IBM. In 1952, he built a computer program that could do something incredible for the time play checkers. But this wasn't just about a game. Samuel's work laid the foundation for modern machine learning. Let's dive into how it all started. In 1952, computers were nowhere near as powerful as today. They had limited memory and processing capabilities. To overcome these challenges, Samuel introduced the concept of alpha-beta pruning. This helped the program evaluate potential moves efficiently by narrowing down the best possible options. This technique was revolutionary. It allowed the program to simulate different game scenarios without overloading the limited memory of 1950 computers. But how did it make decisions? Samuel's program used a strategy known as the minimax algorithm. The idea was simple but brilliant. The program evaluated all possible moves and picked the one that minimized the potential loss while maximizing the potential gain. The minimax strategy is still a fundamental part of game theory and artificial intelligence today, powering everything from chess-playing computers to modern decision-making AI. Host on camera with a checkers board behind, highlighting different board positions, but Samuel didn't stop there. He realized his program needed to learn from its experiences to get better over time. That's when he introduced the concept of rote learning. Rote learning allowed the program to record every move it made and every position it encountered during gameplay. It would then factor in whether those moves led to a win or a loss, so the program would improve with every game it played. Here's where it gets really exciting. Samuel was one of the first to coin the phrase machine learning. His program wasn't just following preset rules. It was learning from experience, adapting, and improving over time. This idea of a system learning from data became the core of what we now call machine learning, used in everything from recommendation algorithms to self-driving cars. Arthur Samuel's checkers program was the spark that ignited a revolution in AI. What started as a simple game of checkers in 1952 has evolved into the machine learning systems we rely on today. Who would have thought that a checkers playing computer would help shape the future of technology? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the origins of machine learning, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech history and AI content. Stay curious, and see you next time.